When you are connecting your osmometer to the EuroOsmo software via a USB to RS232 adapter, this is the error message you will most probably get when you start the software for the first time. This means that you haven't selected the right communication port and there is no communication between your osmometer and the software. To choose the right communication port, you need to go into the Setup tab, and here you can choose the right port, which in my case is number 8, and the software will tell you to restart the software so that the settings will take effect. I will do it now. And now we have a connection to the osmometer and we can start our measurements.